Hi, I'm Anisa. I'm Aiman's sister. I'm filling in for him because he just went off to Harvard, but he really wanted to do a video on this patio fan. He recently did a video on the metal top gazebo, and he talked about how there was a perfect slot for a patio fan.
I'm not going to be able to cover this, but we're going to install a fan with a light up there on that hook.
Specifically, this one is the one he had in mind.
And that's going to be pretty nice. It's like it can connect to your phone and stuff, and you can control it with your phone, which is pretty nice because you don't need to worry about a remote.
And he wanted to do a review on it, but he's already in college.
But I'm going off to Harvard, so I won't be able to do that video.
So I'm here to help him out and show y'all what it looks like and what it can do. So Aiman likes to do these unboxing videos because, well, he tells me that customers like to know what to expect when they order a product. They want to know how big the box is, exactly what's inside, so they can know if they're missing something or if something doesn't look right. So this is about how big the box is compared to me, and we'll go through the contents as well. So on top there's a user manual, and there's some styrofoam covering what looks like the entire fan. It comes, as far as I can see, for the most part pre-assembled. All you have to do is install it into the gazebo, and it's wrapped really well. It seems like it is packed this well so that nothing breaks, nothing moves around. So let's see what it looks like. So I'll take this fan out, but let me also see what else is in this box. So we have the remote, which has the controls. There's some screws on the back of the remote. I'm not really sure what that's for yet, so we'll figure that out. And then there's some cables. I think this is to connect to the fan, but we'll have to see that as well. And I'm not really sure what this is, but we'll figure out that too. It looks like it's part of the installation. And lastly, in this corner, a couple more tools. Yeah, so it looks like all of this is for installation, but we'll have to look at the user manual to figure it out. It looks like there's also more stuff in this corner, more screws, and it looks like these are all to mount the fan to the ceiling. There's these as well. So there's a lot of tiny little things. You gotta make sure you look in every corner, yeah, just to see. So we'll see we'll take everything out and lay it out and show you. So according to the manual, there are two ways that you can install your ceiling fan. The first way would be hanging with a hook. So you can use either size of these down rods. You could pick either size, either length, and then you connect it to the hanging hook. And that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be connecting this to a carabiner and then hooking it to the gazebo. And then the other option is to install with the pulley hook. So with the pulley hook, you would screw it directly into the ceiling through these holes. It's kind of hard to tell, but you can install it directly to the ceiling. So it would, yeah, it would be installed right into the ceiling. And again, you can use either down rod. So we took this out, and now we notice that you don't actually need separate carabiners because this is a carabiner. So you don't need to buy separate carabiners like we did. All right, so we went a little bit into installation, but I'm going to step back and end the unboxing video for now. We're going to do the installation in a separate video so we can walk you through the different types and how that will look like. So keep an eye out for that video. Until next time, I'm Anisa. I'll see you.